This is simple experiment to interface OLED with Arduino Uno. And the same OLED you can OLED display you can interface with Node MCU also. And it has got 4 pins: uh, ground pin, VCC pin, SCK stands for serial clock, SDA stands for serial data. So these 4 pins should be connected to either Arduino Uno or Node MCU. The ground pin of OLED is connected to ground of Arduino Uno, and VCC pin is connected to VCC pin of Arduino Uno, and the clock pin SCK, it is connected to A5 pin of Arduino Uno, and the last one SDA, the green one, it is connected to A4 pin of Arduino Uno. So if you can connect to A4 and A5 pin, or else if you have a pins like SDA and SCK pin Arduino Uno, here you have the last 2 pins, here these 2 pins. So SCL and SDA, here also you can connect SDA to SDA and SCL to SCL you can connect, or else you can use A4 or A5 pins in Arduino, you know. So I'll explain the code how to display your name or project name on the OLED. That code I'm going to explain you now. So I have written a program to display my name. So my name is Shanta C. Mukartihal. It is displayed on OLED. In this experiment, I'll show you how to interface OLED display with Arduino Uno board. And this is the image how I connected OLED with Arduino Uno board. The OLED has got 4 pins. The first pin is ground, second is VCC, third one is SCL, and the fourth one is SDA. SCL stands for serial clock and SDA stands for serial data. The serial data, this is green in color, and serial clock yellow. And the serial data is connected to A4 pin of Arduino Uno board, and the serial clock is connected to A5 pin of Arduino Uno board, and the VCC pin of OLED is connected to 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board, and the ground is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno board. Here the ground is red in color, and the ground is gray in color, and VCC is red color wire. So this is the connection diagram. So you can, if you have a serial clock and SDA pins on Arduino Uno board, that also you can do. Serial clock of this is connected to serial pin of Arduino Uno board, and SDA pin of OLED is connected to SDA pin of Arduino Uno board. So in that case also we will get the display on the OLED. Okay, so for this experiment, we need the components, the OLED display and Arduino Uno board, or else you can use the nano board also, and some jumper wires. And how to do the connection, once again I'll tell you. VCC of OLED to 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno, ground of these two connected to ground of Arduino Uno, and SDA pin to A4 pin, and SCK pin, that is serial clock, to A5 pin. And before uploading program, you should include some libraries. So Arduino OLED, and you will need to include the library in your Arduino IDE before starting the code. So go to Sketch and include library, click on include library and click on manage library, and search for Adafruit GFX and install it. And another library file, search for Adafruit SSD1306 and install it. Or else you can install the about 2 libraries using these 2 links. Then this is the main code. So before explaining the main code, you should know the address of OLED. So how to get the address of OLED, I'll tell you now. So since we know that each I2C, it works on the protocol I2C, Inter-Integrated Circuit Protocol. So I2C device has different hexadecimal addresses. Since OLED uses I2C communication protocol, we have to find the I2C address for the display. And this could be done by uploading the code. This is the code to find the address of the I2C display. Okay. Now I'll write this code in a Arduino IDE. This is a code to find out the address, I2C address of your OLED. So I'll just upload this program. Before uploading, select the board and COM port. The COM port selected is COM3 and the board is under Arduino AVR board. Select Arduino Uno board and now you click on upload. So after uploading is done, you click on the serial monitor. So it will display the address as 0x3c. So here the found device at an address 0x3c. So this address you should copy it in your main code. So I'll show you where to copy this address in your code in order to display the message on your OLED. This is your main program, main code to display your name or your project name on the OLED. And here, this is a line, display.begin, SSID 1306, switch APVCC, comma. Here you should paste your address. The address is 0x3c, just now I found out. And the code, that code I have given in a description box. You copy it and paste it in your Arduino IDE to find out the address. You may have 0x3c or you may have some other address. So whichever the address you get, just you copy it in your main code. And the first 3 lines, these are the important library files you should include using your sketch. So I have explained how to include these library file. The procedure I have given in the description box. So after taking care of all these things, so here whatever the message you want to display, you write it here, display.println. So I have given my name here. So and after that, you upload your code. So now once the uploading is done completely, so you can check the result in your OLED. So in this way, you can interface the OLED with your Arduino Uno board.